this video, let's talk about how do Toyota Highlander wheel spacers work. Let's go. Highlander wheel spacers are aftermarket parts that are placed between the hub assembly and the wheels. The role of this part is to increase the distance from the wheel to the hub assembly, thus achieving the position of the wheels to push outward. The position of the wheels will bring many benefits. The first point is the direct change in appearance. Most of the vehicles in the wheels factory setting are in favor of conservative offset data, which lead to the appearance of the wheels presented in a phenomenon of depression in fenders. The wheel spacers can push the wheel out slightly, giving it a more flush look with the fender. The second point is to allow for bigger brake kits. If you want to upgrade bigger brake kits, which often require more space for installation, wheel spacers are used to provide more space for the wheels and brakes to avoid friction, so you don't have to worry about these brake kits rubbing against the wheel. Wheel spacers can solve this problem. In addition, bonus wheel spacers itself is forged from 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloy material, which has strength, tensile, and yield properties. Even in the course of decades of use can still maintain excellent mechanical properties, and will not occur in case of fracture. If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers for your Toyota Highlander, please make sure to see the link in the description. That's for today and have a great day.